Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're struggling with no sound on your Samsung Odyssey G5, you're not alone. Today I'll walk you through some easy steps to get your audio back in no time. First things first, check if your monitor's volume is muted. Just hit the menu button on the back of the monitor, scroll to the sound settings and make sure the volume is up. If it's already turned up, you can move on to the next step. Next, let's double check your cables. Whether you're using HDMI or DisplayPort, make sure both ends are securely plugged in. A loose connection could be causing the issue, so give them a little wiggle to make sure they're seated properly. Still no sound? Alright, let's head to your PC. Right-click the sound icon in your taskbar, then select Playback Devices. Make sure your Odyssey G5 is selected as the default audio output device. If it's not, just set it as default, and that should fix it. Finally, try restarting both your monitor and your PC. Sometimes a quick reboot can solve the problem. And that's it. If you follow these steps and the sound still isn't working, check for any driver updates or reach out to Samsung support. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.